Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you're going to fix your computer keeps freezing randomly in Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we have to come over this start option and going to settings. After that, we have to come over update and security, click on it, and then be sure that you are up to date. If you are up to date, then close it and come over search option and search for. So now we have to come over the search option and search for CMD over here and click it as a run as administration. Click on it and click yes, and after that maximize it and now write SFC space backslash scan now, and now click enter. And here you can see beginning system scan. This process will be take some time, so it maybe take 5 or 10 minutes. I don't know how many time it needs. Maybe it's 5. So we have to wait, but you don't need to wait for so long. I will just fast forward the video right now. So here you can see our verification 100% complete, and after complete the verifications you can get or see this kind of interface over here. Windows resource protection found corrupt file and successfully repaired them. So this is how you can fix your random freeze problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.